Wilmington Tower information, India, 1853 Zulu, wind 100 at 9, or visibility 10. Sky conditions, ceiling 3,900, overcast, temperature 14, dew point 07, altimeter 3042. Visual approach runway 6 in use, no Airman taxiway echo closed, runway 6 Pappy's out of service, runway 35 glass slope out of service, advise on initial contact, drop information, India.
And Wilmington ground, Centurion 2 and Alpha November is over here by Air Wilmington, ready to taxi with information, India.
Centurion 1 Alpha November, departure frequency 135.75, squawk 4772.
Departure frequency 135.75 and 4772 on the squawk for 21 Alpha November, and we have India ready to taxi from Air Wilmington.
Centurion 1 Alpha November, runway 6, taxi at Alpha Bravo.
Alpha Bravo, runway 6, Centurion 2 1 Alpha November.
Roger, Papa contact departure. Roger, 350, Papa contact departure.
Good. Mag. Right mag. Prop. And 3 to oil. Get there. $3,000. And Wilmington Tower, Centurion 2 and Alpha November, hold short on runway 6, ready for takeoff.
Bluestraight 5370, contact departure, if you could pass any pilot reports onto them.
Good day, Willow.
Centurion 2-1, Alpha November, Wilmington Tower, runway 6, fly runway heading, clear for takeoff.
Runway 6, runway heading, clear for takeoff, Centurion 2 and Alpha November.
Centurion 1 Alpha November, cautionary turbulence, part of regional jet.
Cautionary turbulence for part of regional jet 2 and Alpha November. And just confirm the altitude, am I cleared up to 3,000?
Centurion 1 Alpha November, VFR out to your discretion.
Okay. Lights, camera. Runway 6, I see it, 3,000. Power set. Airspeed's alive. Hold temperature, pressures are good. About 80. Go flying. Here's coming up.
Centurion 1 Alpha November, contact departure, good flight.
Hello, departure Atlanta 2-1 Alpha November.
Radar service terminated, frequency change approved. Have a good day.
Wilmington departure, Centurion 21 Alpha November is with you, 800 for 3000, and we are 060 on the heading.
Centurion 21 Alpha November, Wilmington departure, radar contact, vehicle altitude at your discretion, turn left on course.
Left on course for Centurion 21 Alpha November.
Police Street 5370, clear at Osney, contact Washington Center 135.3. Good day.
GPS is
Direct to Osney 35.3, 5370, you'll see you.
Altitude sufficient, flaps up. Make mode and vertical speed. We're in cruise at 3,000 feet, 2,300 on the RPM, 28.5 on the manifold pressure. Headed direct towards OAJ right now, and then we're going to go to New Bern, North Carolina. We're at 3,000 feet, as you can see here on our actually standby altimeter and our Aspen avionics stack. 155 knots true airspeed, 3,000 feet, and we're getting a ground speed of 164 knots.
2020, turn
Beautiful
left,
day here to
340.
Hey, Newport Tower, good afternoon. Centurion 21 Alpha November is with you 10 miles to south-southwest, coming up near OAJ, or near Oak Grove.
Centurion 21 Alpha November, afternoon, Newport Tower, runway 14, enter on the right base, report 2 miles.
Report 2 mile right base for runway 14, Centurion 21 Alpha November.
Runway 140 at 7, altimeter 3044.
3044, thanks. Flaps off. And Newport Tower, Centurion 21 Alpha November, come up on a 2 mile right base for runway 14.
Centurion 1 Alpha November, runway 14, clear to land.
Land 14, Centurion 21 Alpha November. Yeah. Green light. Left. One on the mirror. Another one in the mirror. Flaps 10. Flaps 20. There's 85. Cruise props full. You're down lock. Earlier. Oh, that was great.
One Alpha November, left on 4 is approved, left on Fox over to the hangar, good day.
Left on 4, then to Fox to the hangar, center 2 and Alpha November. Well guys, I appreciate you watching. Try something a little different this time with the audio, got a cable. So we'll see how some of these flights go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Always appreciate the followers. If you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the audio, like the new way it looks, smash that thumbs up. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.